wish to start making money with zero capital, right? And you want to make money online every day. Look at this platform. It's exactly what you actually need. Today alone, look at these guys. This guys has done like $23, 22.65, 19.13, 14.5, 30.78. Now, let me show you yesterday what happened yesterday. As you can see, yesterday, this guy made 29.19, 23.32, 23.03, 23.03. You too can start doing it. If I can do it, if these guys can do it, you too, you can start doing this every blessed day. Just doing simple task with zero capital. Hey guys, your friend Adeyemi Oluwaseun is here. So today, this is the website that we're going to talk about, and you start making money immediately you sign up on this platform. And this is Timebox, changing the world one task at a time. So you can get paid to post on Facebook, view funny live shows, play games, install apps, complete micro tasks, answer surveys. And there are so many things that these guys are doing. So they have daily bonuses. You start earning instantly. Referral program, weekly payout. They pay out every week, right? So it's friendly support staff, frequent. So now, the next thing you're gonna do after you stumble on this is just to go to this description below, because with the link on the description below, you sign up through that description below, you're gonna get a bonus sign up bonus. All right, so just go down the first link they're gonna see, just click on it, then it will going to land you on this page just as you are seeing it right here. Then all you need to do is just to click on sign up. When you click on sign up, then you enter your email, you enter a password, you repeat the password. I'm not a robot. You click on it and you click on smash on sign up now. Right? So after you have done your sign up, so this is the platform, then you need to log in. So after you have done the logon, you log into, so after you have logged into the platform, so you're gonna see it like this. So you're gonna get bonus if you use the link on the description below. You're gonna get $1.1, right? So you have the referral link right here. Okay, so you can refer anybody, right? You can refer anybody, but firstly, let me talk about the referral, because that is where most of people are afraid that I'm gonna be referring people. So I don't know if you have been know this platform, or if you know this website called List Bonus, right? So List Bonus is actually a free platform where you can be sending mail to people. So, and people will be getting your mail just like this, all right? And you too, once you sign up there, all you need to do is just to go to use the link below. You can use my referral link. If you like, you can use my referral link. That's the second link below. So once you sign up, it's free, all right? Though they have paid stuff you can upgrade, but I don't upgrade on this floor. I'm using free and it works worldwide. So as the white guys are getting your mails, Nigerians will be getting it as well, right? So just like this. Okay, so right now, so whenever you get a mail like this, all you need to do is just to click on the mail to see what is there. Once you click on this, you can see, so you're gonna earn credits. Okay, so once you earn credits, you'll be able to send, so those credits will be accumulating just like what you're saying. If I click on send mail right here, if I click on send mail, you see that I must have, I think, 1,000 plus credits on this website right now that I can use to send mail out. Okay, so just like these guys it promoted this website where people can actually make money as well, right? And I actually got a mail there, and as you can see, when I read it, I earn credits as well. Okay, so the same way you too, when you send mail, the same way people is gonna see what you are having, for them. So you can see that I have 1,500 mail that points to send mail. All right, so it means I can send mail up to 1,500 people that are about. Okay, so what you need to do is just to, once you sign up, then you take your just Look at this, how this guy just do his own. Say greeting and $1 in 5 seconds. You can see greeting time box a great. Okay, it's also from time. I don't know if you see how this one. I just click on this link and sign up to get started. This is an extra whatever. Then it puts the links. So when you now put your referral link, you just need to copy your referral link. Once you copy your referral link, so just try to craft something. So when you are when you want to send your mail, like if I want to send my mail right here, you can see I can send I want to set to like 500. So bonus credits, I want to say 0. Then the URL you're advertising, so you're gonna paste that URL that you're advertising right here. You're gonna paste that one right here. Then that is the URL that you're advertising. So you can just place the subjects of what you really want to send to people, like make $2 fast. All right, then you write your content right here. Once you do that, then you're going to click on send message now. So once you click on send message now, it will deliver to people and they will read your mail. Those who are interested in what you are trying to offer them, they sign up, then you make some money in that place once they sign up. So that one has been solved, right? So then after that one has been solved, then if you want to make money right here, maybe you are not interested in referring anybody, you just want to come to this platform and make some money for yourself. What you need to do, but before then, let's just go to the ladder. You want to see how people are make money the way I show you the other time. So today, as you can see, we have $23. This guy has done 22.65. This guy has done 19.13. This guy has done 14. So you too can do this. You too can do this. You too can do this. All right. You too can do it. Yesterday, we have 29.19. We have 23, 23, 23, 17, 14, like that. Okay. Because they normally put like first 100 people that is earning on this this place. So you too can be here. All right. You too can be here, and all the countries, wherever you are, except US, Canada, Australia, those are tier 1 country. I think those are the country that are not allowed to do anything here. So all you need to do is just to click on N when you want to start. So what these guys are actually doing, they have different things that they're actually doing, right? They have different things that they're actually doing. You can see they have survey. You can take survey. Right here. Okay. Then you can see the rate is actually the rate is not the same. There are some that say it varies, and there are some that they put even up to $1 right here. Okay, so then maybe you just want to watch like a video, so you can just come to content here, right here. When you get to content, you can see on this one, all you need to do is just view. You just need to view this for like a few seconds, right? So if you click on this, you can see that start counting 4, 3, 2, 1. Then I earn, right? I can, so can see that I just earned in that place. So that is how this thing works. Then if you want to watch videos, all you need to do is just click on video, done right here. So you see amount that you're going to earn when you watch a video, right? Each video that you will watch. So you see that like let's just watch one right here. It's you just need to watch like 60 seconds, right? That is like a minute. So you can see that's, so we're still within 4, 55, 56, 7, 8, 59. So 60 seconds. So then we're gonna end right here. So you can just close that, and they will credit us. As you can see that they just credit us some money right here. Okay, so then we have different things, guys, that you can just go search. You can see search. You can also make money through search as well. But here I'm just like to talk about ad click and video and watching video. And aside that, so another website that I said it can also make you money is called Rapid Workers. So Rapid Workers is a place where you can also do simple tasks as well, but you have to observe this very well, so because they have do and don'ts. So on this platform, using VPN or other type of masking IP software is prohibited. Then multiple accounts with the same IP, don't want it. Same IP used other account to do tasks, you don't want it. Doing other country jobs that you are not from, so you cannot do that one as well. So what you need to do when you are a Rapid Worker is just to come to sign up right now. See sign up there. So the third link on this description under this video in the description section, you're gonna see sign up, the link there. So you can just copy the link, so come to the Rapid Worker. Then you have to fill the form, name, email, password, then the country that you are from. You can see that you even have Nigeria there. You have Nigeria. Let's check. We have Nigeria, right? So this is Nigeria there. So then once you sign up, you are good to go, right? You are good to go. Right. So once you sign up, then just all you need to do is just to log in. So once you log in, you can see that you can actually do some work right here. So if you want to work, what you do is just remember that you must do the work that belongs to the country that you are. All right, like though you may not see Nigeria there directly, that people from Nigeria should do, like if you look at like targeted workers. If you have international, we have Brazil, we have Europe, you have Brazil. We have Brazil, we have US. So you cannot see Nigeria directly, but under international, that is where you belong to. All right. So under international, you can do any task right on this platform. So all you need to do is just to look for the international. So international, just click on international under this. So it will show you only job that belongs to international. Then if you are you are looking for IP job, you can see that we have even up to $3 per job right here. So now guys, on this platform you can watch a video, you can watch video, to type it right here. So you can actually watch video and make money right here. As you can see, download and upload my video on YouTube, YouTube, subscribe, watch, like. So then you earn 0.04. Watch the video, subscribe, like, then 0.04. All right, so you can see how you can see that on many videos, bunch of videos, you can see that a bunch of videos are here for you to watch and make money right here. So then you can also do other jobs that is not even a video, maybe sign up, register an account, register Gmail, this and that. All right, so and this website is actually paying though. To withdraw on this platform and the other one, which is a time box, you actually need a paper. All right, you need a paper, and if you don't have paper accounts, maybe by God's grace, one of these days I will try to make a video on how you can create a paper while staying in Nigeria using your IP in Nigeria, everything, and create a paper accounts in Nigeria that receive and send out. All right, so maybe I make one of these bots. Before then, you can just go to the comment section below and ask for paper information. So I still have an ebook that you can use, right, to sign up for a paper that can receive and make payment as well. That is if you don't have paper. Those, of course, I use about same paper as well, and you don't need to manipulate anything. You use your direct IP, your normal information, like to verify it. All right, even ATM, Nigerian ATM, you use it to verify it, and you won't have any problem with it. Right, so now guys, this is what I have for you. Like this video, I want you to smash on like, then click on the subscription button and the notification bell, so update from Google and YouTube that we just update a new video. So because In January, as from January 2020, by God's grace, we'll be doing a lot of research to show you different opportunities to make money online, both free and paid. All right. So, but make sure that you just make sure that you click on the subscription button so that you will not be missing any of this video that we are going to be releasing as from January 2020, because players are live. Thank you. I remain yours, Adeyemi Oluwaseun.